I'm Ben. I'm a former photographer, former ad guy, today an artist working as a painter, and I'm incredibly grateful to the people of NeuroStar. I think my case is one of a pretty classic presentation of major depressive disorder. I began to see a psychiatrist, began trying antidepressants, which didn't really have any success with any of them, and I tried them all. I had been through ECT without effective results. Everybody's experience is very different with depression. For me, it's literally the most painful memory I have. I can have relationships with people. Days crying for no reason. I didn't understand what was going on. The way I came to NeuroStar TMS is that my mother is a PhD research scientist, microbiologist with a long history of pharma development, and she evaluated the treatment and determined that this was a really valid way for me to go. I do consider myself data-driven, analytical thinker. I've read all the research papers that are published. This thing is amazing. It's going on 2 years since I've had experienced full remission of the symptoms of my depression. I was talking with my mother, and she said something, made a joke or something, and I smiled, and she said, I can't remember seeing you smile before. NeuroStar definitely relieved the worst symptoms of my depression, where everything prior had not been successful. I'm having a life that I didn't get to have. One of the reasons I fell into photography was that I really wanted to be a painter, but I was afraid that I couldn't do that. It was too hard. I didn't have the skill, and that's all stuff that depression tells you. Today I'm a painter.